Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For all my new peeps, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future videos. Okay, so let's talk about that time of the month. You know, when Mother Nature decides to unleash her wrath upon us. Period pain is like the worst roommate ever, right? But seriously though, it's so common and literally millions of us experience it every single month. But like, why does it even happen? Basically, our bodies are amazing, like duh. And they produce these chemicals called prostaglandins that help with, well, a lot of things. But they also happen to cause the uterus to contract to shed its lining. And sometimes those contractions can feel like a full-on wrestling match is happening in your abdomen. Not cute. All right, first up on our period pain survival guide is heat therapy. And no, I'm not talking about spontaneously combusting from your cramps, even though sometimes it feels like that's a possibility. I'm talking about the magical powers of heat. Seriously, heat can be a game changer when those cramps hit. It works by basically relaxing the muscles in your uterus, which, let's be real, are working overtime during your period. So how do you get your heat on? Well, you've got options, people. A heating pad is like the holy grail of period pain relief. Just toss it in the microwave, slap it on your lower abdomen or back, and feel the sweet, sweet relief. No heating pad? No problem. A hot water bottle works just as well. Just be careful not to burn yourself, okay? Safety first, always. And if you're feeling extra fancy, draw yourself a warm bath. Add some Epsom salts or essential oils for like a whole spa vibe. Trust me, your cramps won't know what hit them. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Exercise? During my period? Emma, have you lost it? But hear me out, you guys. I'm not talking about running a marathon or anything crazy like that. We're talking light exercise, people. Think gentle yoga, a brisk walk around the block, or maybe some light cardio. The key here is to get your blood flowing and those endorphins pumping. Endorphins are like our body's natural painkillers, and they're pretty darn good at their job. Plus, exercise can help relieve bloating, which is always a bonus. Am I right? Now I get it. Sometimes, even the thought of getting off the couch is a struggle during your period. But trust me, even a little bit of movement can make a world of difference. And hey, if you absolutely can't even with exercise, that's totally fine too. Listen to your body and do what feels right for you. Okay, so we've covered heat therapy and light exercise, but what about something a little more, shall we say, zen? Enter herbal teas, my friends. Herbal teas have been used for centuries to treat all sorts of ailments, and period pain is no exception. Plus, they're super calming and make you feel like you have your life together, even if you're actually dying on the inside from cramps. So which teas should you be sipping on? Chamomile tea is like the OG chill pill. It's known for its calming and relaxing properties, making it perfect for those days when you just want to curl up in a ball and disappear. Ginger tea is another great option, especially if you're dealing with nausea or digestive issues in addition to cramps. Ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help ease those pesky cramps. And last but not least, we have peppermint tea. Peppermint is known for its ability to relax muscles and reduce bloating, plus it just tastes really refreshing, which is always a plus. Let's be real, sometimes herbal teas and heating pads just don't cut it. When those cramps are bringing their A-game, it's time to call in the big guns over-the-counter pain relievers. You know the ones I'm talking about, right? Ibuprofen, naproxen, those little lifesavers that can make you feel like a human being again. They work by basically telling those prostaglandins to chill out, which in turn reduces inflammation and pain. But remember, it's super important to follow the dosage instructions on the label and to talk to your doctor if you have any concerns or if you're taking other medications. And hey, if you're not sure which pain reliever is right for you, don't be afraid to ask your pharmacist. They're like walking encyclopedias of medication knowledge. Okay, so this next tip is for those of you who are all about that self-care life essential oils and massage. Because let's be real, who doesn't love a good massage, especially when you're in pain? Essential oils are basically like concentrated plant extracts that have all sorts of therapeutic benefits. And when combined with massage, they can work wonders for period pain. Some of the best essential oils for cramps include lavender, clary sage, and marjoram. Lavender is known for its calming and relaxing properties, while clary sage can help regulate your menstrual cycle. Marjoram is another great option for muscle spasms and pain relief. Now, before you go slathering yourself in essential oils, it's important to dilute them with a carrier oil like coconut oil or almond oil. Essential oils are super potent, and you don't want to irritate your skin. Once you've diluted your oils, gently massage them into your lower abdomen in a circular motion. Trust me, it's like a mini spa treatment for your cramps. Okay, let's be real for a sec. Stress can make period cramps so much worse. It's like your body is already going through it, and then stress is like, hey, I'm gonna hang out and make things even more fun. Not cool, stress, not cool. So what can we do about it? Relaxation techniques, my friends. Deep breathing exercises can work wonders for calming your nervous system and reducing stress. Just find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and take slow, deep breaths, focusing on the rise and fall of your abdomen. Meditation is another great option for stress reduction. There are tons of free guided meditations available online, or you can simply sit or lie down in a comfortable position and focus on your breath. And if meditation isn't your thing, don't worry. Listening to calming music, reading a book, or watching your favorite show can all help take your mind off your cramps and reduce stress. Okay, this next tip might seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many people forget about it when they're on their period. Stay hydrated and eat a balanced diet. Water is basically life, you guys. It helps flush out toxins, keeps you hydrated, and can even help reduce bloating. So make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout your cycle, especially during your period. And speaking of bloating, let's talk about food, shall we? What you eat can actually have a big impact on how your period feels. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and caffeine can all make cramps worse, so try to limit those as much as possible. Instead, focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. These foods will give your body the nutrients it needs to power through your period like a champ. Okay, so we've covered a lot of tips and tricks for dealing with period pain, but it's important to remember that everybody is different. What works for one person might not work for another, and that's totally okay. If you're experiencing severe or persistent period pain, it's super important to talk to your doctor. There could be an underlying medical condition that needs to be addressed. And listen, I'm not a doctor. I'm just a girl on YouTube who's passionate about helping people feel their best. So if you're ever in doubt, always err on the side of caution and consult with a healthcare professional. They can help you figure out what's going on and come up with a treatment plan that's right for you. Because let's be real, no one should have to suffer through debilitating period pain. You deserve to feel your best, period. And there you have it, my friends. Those are my top tips for finding relief from period pain. From heat therapy and essential oils to over-the-counter pain relievers and relaxation techniques, there are so many things you can do to ease those cramps and get back to living your best life. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. And be sure to share this video with all your friends who could use some period pain relief. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and remember, you got this, period. Bye, guys.